Hey everyone, welcome to Everyday Dialogue. I'm Thomas. The topic of this video is meeting someone new. See that girl over there? I'm going to go talk to her and try to get her number. Watch, learn, and wish me luck. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's do this.
Hello, is this seat taken?
Oh, hi. No, please go ahead.
Thank you. I'm Thomas. And you are?
I'm Alice. Nice to meet you, Thomas.
Nice to meet you too, Alice. Are you from here?
No, I'm from a small town up north. And you?
I'm local, born and raised here. So, are you a student or do you work?
I'm a student. I want to become a nurse.
That's a great profession. I work as a software engineer.
Interesting. What brings you to this cafe today?
I needed a break from my computer screen. What about you?
I love their hot chocolate. And it's a good place to study.
So, Alice, how old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
I'm 22. And you?
I'm 25. So, are you single or married? Sorry, just curious.
I'm single. I'm focusing on my studies right now. And you?
Same here. Single and focusing on work.
Do you have a girlfriend?
No, not at the moment. How about you? A boyfriend?
No, like I said, just focusing on becoming a nurse first.
That's very responsible. Who do you live with here?
I share an apartment with 2 other students. It's fun, but sometimes noisy. And you?
I live alone. I enjoy the peace and quiet.
That sounds nice. So, what's your favorite kind of music?
I listen to a bit of everything, but mostly pop. You?
I love relaxing piano music. It helps me study.
The last interesting movie I saw was that new superhero film. Have you seen it?
No, I haven't. The last movie for me was a comedy. I needed a good laugh.
Are you reading any good books these days?
Just my thick medical textbooks. How about you?
I'm trying to read a novel about space travel. It's fascinating.
Do you play any sports?
I go swimming twice a week. It helps me clear my mind. Do you exercise?
Yes, I go jogging in the park. It's my stress relief.
What food do you absolutely love?
Italian pasta, any kind. And you?
A good juicy burger. Can't beat it. So, what do you usually do in your free time?
I watch series, meet friends, and sometimes I try to paint.
You paint? That's cool. I like photography, but I'm just a beginner.
Do you like to travel? Where was your last trip?
I love traveling. Last year I went to Spain. It was amazing.
If you could travel anywhere, where would you go?
Japan, definitely. The culture seems so interesting. How about you?
Greece. The white buildings and blue sea in the pictures.
Do you have any pets or would you like one?
I love cats, but my apartment doesn't allow pets. Maybe one day.
I grew up with a dog. They are great companions.
What's your favorite TV show?
I'm watching that popular fantasy series. Everyone is talking about it.
Oh, I know the one. I'm a bit behind on it, though. I fall asleep sometimes.
It happens. Do you like hiking or nature walks?
Yes. On weekends, I try to go to a nearby forest trail. It's so peaceful.
Me too. Nature is the best recharge. Is there something you're really proud of in your life?
Getting into nursing school. It was very competitive, but I did it.
That's something to be proud of. Do you speak any other languages?
Just a little Spanish from school. I'd love to learn Italian one day.
Have you been to any cool concerts or cultural events?
I went to a classical music concert last month. It was beautiful.
That sounds lovely. So, what makes you laugh the most?
Funny animal videos online. I can watch them for hours.
Same. They are a mood booster. Who is your biggest role model?
My grandmother. She was so strong and kind.
That's sweet. What motivates you?
Helping people. That's why I chose nursing. What about you?
Creating things that make life easier. That's the goal in tech.
If you could learn any new skill, what would it be?
Playing the guitar. I've always wanted to.
What's your best memory from school?
Winning the science fair with my robot. It was a simple robot, but still.
Aw, that's cute. What would you like to do in the future?
Maybe start my own tech company one day. A big dream.
That's amazing. Do you do any volunteer work?
I help teach coding the kids sometimes on weekends. It's rewarding.
What qualities are important for you in a friend?
Honesty and a good sense of humor. Life's too short to be serious all the time.
I agree. What makes life meaningful for you?
Connections with people, learning new things, and enjoying the small moments.
Ooh, excuse me. I didn't sleep well last night.
No problem. Are you interested in self-improvement?
Yes, I listen to podcasts about mindfulness and try to be more positive.
That's great. Okay, a fun question. If you were a food, what would you be?
Maybe a pizza? Versatile and hopefully liked by everyone. What about you?
I'd be chocolate. Sweet, but a little complicated.
If you had a superpower, what would it be?
Teleportation. No more traffic.
Good one. I'd choose healing to help people instantly.
What's the best gift you've ever received?
A handmade scarf from my sister. It means a lot.
The weirdest food you've ever eaten?
Fried insects on a trip once. Never again.
I can imagine. If you could switch places with someone for a day, who would it be?
Maybe a famous travel photographer to see the world through their lens.
A song that always makes you feel good?
Here Comes the Sun by the Beatles. It's my happy song.
Classic. The best advice you've ever gotten?
Don't compare your Chapter 1 to someone else's Chapter 20.
That's deep. If you could time travel, when would you go?
To the future, 100 years from now, to see how humanity is doing.
3 things you'd bring to a deserted island.
A knife, a big water filter, and a satellite phone to call for help.
Smart. The best decision you've ever made.
Moving to the city to study, it was scary, but the best choice.
Do you like to cook? What's your signature dish?
I make a pretty good lasagna. It's my comfort food.
What's your favorite season and why?
Autumn. I love the colors of the leaves and the cool air.
Any favorite games, board games, or video games?
I like simple card games with friends. What about you?
I play some strategy games on my computer. It's a good mental exercise.
What's something new you've learned recently?
I learned how to bake sourdough bread during the lockdown. It's a process.
Which city or country do you like the most?
I loved Barcelona. The architecture, the food, the vibe, everything.
What's the best place you've been to in this city?
The old botanical garden. It's my escape from the city noise.
Oh, I've never been. I should go. Are you interested in startups or new businesses?
Yes, it's fascinating to see new ideas grow. Have you taken any interesting workshops?
I took a first aid course last summer. Very useful for my future job.
Look, I'm really enjoying this conversation, Alice.
Me too, Thomas.
Would you like to meet up again sometime and chat more? Maybe we could check out that botanical garden together?
I'd like that. That sounds really nice.
Great. Can I get your number so we can arrange it?
Sure, let me write it down for you.
Thank you. I should probably let you get back to your studies.
Yeah, I have a big test next week, but this was a wonderful break.
Good luck with your test. I'll message you soon.
Thank you. It was really nice meeting you, Thomas.
You too, Alice. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
And that's how you meet someone new in English. If you liked this real-life practice, subscribe for more conversations. See you in the next video. Bye.